Hello?
Start mo na.
Ha?
Baka lahat ang dadaanan natin dito.
Ay, ganun?
Meron mo malalim. Tama ba?
Sige. Sure ka? Hindi naman. Mukhang kaya naman kasi yung bike nakadaan, oh. Sige.
Dalawa.
Shaking in their armor, wishing they'd have had the strength to stand. But the giants calling out my name and they laugh at me, reminding me of all the times I tried to go and fail. Giant keeps on telling me time and time again, boy, you never will. Never will. But the voice of truth.
Ah.
Pasok na sa flooring ni Ate.
Uy. Ba't nakikita ko naman dito sa likod, hindi naman ano, sa gulong ng ni Ate.